I'm here at Friendly Farms in Sacramento, California today, where we're going to do a wash with the Sambo pre-filtration Mesclatore. We're going to be asking our operators lots of questions. Stay tuned.
I'll show you the soaker lid. The soaker lid.
Yeah, I want to see that. Do you have it here?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So it's a two-part lid. Open it up for you.
Yeah, cool. Look, it's like an unveiling while on TV.
But if
Watch
you don't,
out, Charles has a knife. Gonna shank me.
no.
Alright, well, I like the color. Okay.
Okay, cool. Alright, so this is a two-part. They're both the same size, right? It's two pieces because it's so heavy. We cut it into two pieces. The original design of the show was actually just one. This is two pieces. And so,
it took like 2 dudes.
right, it's so heavy. So what this does is it's adjustable, as you can see. And so this will rest on top of the biomass and keep it on the water. That's the whole.
Does this go on the outside, like this will set on the outside?
And it's
of the...
plastic, so it'll keep. It's an insulating lid.
Yep.
So it'll keep
and then
the
this
ice
is
from melting.
stainless.
Yeah, and this is stainless.
Yep.
All the wetted parts are 316. Everything else is 304.
Okay. So there's 2 of these.
There's 2 of these, one in each half,
Okay.
and there's like a little notch, so they both fit together. Do you notice?
Yep.
One is on top of the other.
Yeah, it's not good.
It sits like this, and it holds the biomass down.
How
And-
heavy is it? Can I lift it? Okay, I can lift it.
Yeah.
It's fine.
And you adjust it based on how much water
For
you
my
have.
lightweight extractor ladies over there.
So this goes higher,
Okay.
depending on what you need.
Cool.
But that's the gist of it.
Cool.
Simple.
You have those, but they don't use them.
Yeah, we have it, but they don't use it.
Okay.
I mean, because of what he said, right? He's only got one trolley,
Yeah.
and so, if you had many trolleys, it would make sense to be soaking, because right now he's going to waste 30 minutes soaking.
Yep.
The machine's not working.
Yep.
Obviously, when you start the day, there's no way around that. But when you're going through many cycles, having the ability to have a machine that is soaking while one is washing, when you're done washing, you just swap the vessel and you immediately are agitating. And so the expensive part of the system is the motorized agitated part.
Yeah.
The trolleys themselves are very inexpensive. So
Okay.
you can get a whole bunch of trolleys or triple quadruple your production.
And then for the sieve, that's not included.
That's not included.
Okay, well, how much is the sieve?
We have sieves from 4,000 change.
Uh-huh.
It just depends on
How many
else-
filters you get and stuff like that?
Yeah.
Or does it
The
come
finish,
with a set system?
It depends on what you want. So depending on how you configure it, we have, again, for something all the way up to 30,000.
What's your power requirements for your machines?
All sieves are 3-phase.
Okay.
All of them are
The
3-phase.
sieve is 3-phase, but the washer is 110?
It's monophase 230.
230.
It's 230 volts. Every business should have 230 volts. We understand that a business may not have 3-phase power. That's understandable. But everybody has 230.
Yeah.
So,
Is the plug a standard plug or no? Special?
No, it doesn't come with a
plug.
plug. You have the plug based on however you want.
Cool. The reason why you have a gear reducer and a motor.
Because the gear reducer multiplies the power level. So for example, if you have a 5-to-1 gear reducer, it multiplies the torque of the motor by 5, which allows you to have a smaller motor. You have a smaller motor, your electrical connections are smaller, they're less. The reason the motors are all 3-phase, which is kind of weird because the actual connection is not 3-phase, but you need a 3-phase motor to be able to change the speed on it.
Okay.
And so by having the variable frequency drive to change the speed of the motor and everything, and a gear reducer, you're able to adjust the speed of the motor and have a smaller motor, which in turn uses a smaller electrical connection. So you can have a 230 without a breaker that is so huge, because like if you go to like a 110, a lot of the times there's all sorts of issues electrically.
It'll blow a 20 amp.
It'll blow a 20
every time.
amp every time. So that's the issue. And so as you're agitating, the power draw of these motors changes, right? So there's a thing called torque. Torque is just the energy that the motor has to produce to turn the agitator. And so the motor will heat up based on the torque requirements. So if it's not sized correctly, that'll heat up and that'll in turn blow the breaker.
Okay.
So
Alright.
we use a gear reducer just to reduce the size of the motor and alleviate all of these problems, but still giving you the power that you need to turn that biomass, to turn that liquid without
Overloading.
issues, without overloading, without overheating. So that's kind of what that is.
Cool. Thanks.